Did you know that long-term inflammation in your body can actually increase the risk of cancer? While inflammation is normally part of the immune system's defense, chronic inflammation can create an environment that helps tumors grow. Understanding this connection is one of the most important discoveries in modern cancer research. So what is inflammation? It's the body's natural response to injury, infection, or irritation. When your tissues are damaged, the immune system sends out signals that recruit protective cells to repair the area. This process is what causes redness, swelling, heat, and pain. Normally, inflammation is temporary and helps the body heal. But when it continues for months or even years, it can become harmful. This is what we call chronic inflammation. It means the immune system stays activated for a long time. Instead of helping to repair tissue, inflammatory molecules start damaging healthy cells. Over time, this damage can cause DNA mutations, abnormal cell growth, and changes in the surrounding tissue. These are the very conditions that can allow cancer to develop. One of the most important drivers of this process is a signaling pathway called NF-kappa B, often written as NFB. NFB acts like a master switch for inflammatory genes. When this pathway stays activated, it can trigger the release of powerful inflammatory molecules and help cancer cells survive. In fact, many tumors show constant activation of NFB signaling. Inflammation also releases signaling proteins called cytokines. These molecules allow immune cells to communicate with each other. But in chronic inflammation, cytokines like interleukin-6 and tumor necrosis factor can actually stimulate tumor growth. They can also encourage the formation of new blood vessels that feed the tumors, helping them grow bigger. Cancer doesn't grow alone. Tumors exist within a complex ecosystem known as the tumor microenvironment. Chronic inflammation changes this environment by recruiting immune cells that release growth signals. So instead of attacking the tumor, some of these cells end up supporting cancer survival and spread. What's more, inflammation can weaken the immune system's ability to detect cancer in the first place. Over time, these constant inflammatory signals can exhaust the T cells and suppress the natural killer cells that are supposed to eliminate abnormal cells. As the body's immune defenses weaken, tumors gain a clear advantage. Many cancers are directly associated with chronic inflammation. For example, liver cancer can arise from hepatitis infections. Colon cancer is linked to inflammatory bowel disease, and stomach cancer is often connected to Helicobacter pylori infection. These conditions all show how long-term inflammation can contribute to tumor development. So, what can we do? Reducing chronic inflammation is a key goal in cancer prevention and for your overall health. Research suggests that a healthy diet, regular exercise, weight management, and good sleep can help regulate these inflammatory pathways. Scientists are also developing new therapies that specifically target inflammation in cancer treatment. Inflammation is a powerful biological process. While it protects the body in the short term, long-lasting inflammation can create conditions that allow cancer to grow. Understanding how inflammation drives cancer is helping researchers develop better strategies to prevent and treat this disease. To learn more about cancer biology and modern treatment research, visit helping4cancer.com. Thanks for watching.